Hey everyone, welcome to this another video in Market Talk YouTube channel. So I've been getting some queries on this Nifty income strategy regarding these rules I told about the double when the option premium doubles from the time we sold the price you sold. So today that happened actually whether we to square off or not. So like these queries I've been getting. So I thought I'll update the strategy with what kind of adjustments you can make so that you can maximize your profit also in the strategy. We told that at least say say 3 to 4% profit we can get more also doing some small adjustments. So because definitely it takes doesn't more take more than 3 4 minutes of time, you have to just overview the what is the position and take the necessary adjustments. Just let us me just brush up with the strategy what we had taken for this week. So first we had taken on Thursday. So I told that we take the position first position Friday, but if you want we can take on Thursday also, there is no problem, there is no harm in it. So first the pain was in 11,100. So we taken position like this. So we bought 11,200 call one lot and 11,001 lot and 11,100 where the pain is there. We sold two positions. Next day also the pain was on Friday. 11,100 was the position, the max option pain. Then we sold two lots. Then we bought one lot. Then 11,200 call one lot we bought. So this strategy I'm sure you are clear about this. Okay. So similarly on Monday 11,000 was the option pain. So 11,000 we sold two position, two strike, two lots, and 10,100 call one and 11,100 call we bought. So today option went 11,050 was the option pain. So we are selling two lots of 11,050 and we are buying 10,950 and 11,150 call. So these are the four days positions we have taken. Okay. So I'm sure about this you are clear. Now coming to the adjustments what we have done. See, whenever in options, when you are buying options, you have to be very quick in just booking your profits. Okay, and also at the same time you should ensure that you ensure you have some hedge positions. There can be small loss can be there because there is a gap in the option premium that you're buying and selling. But no problem. But you should ensure that your option position is always hedged. So we will see that also today. Now what happened is yesterday we booked some profit here actually. So here the option premium has diluted almost 75% here. So what we done is here we covered at 33 rupees. So we have sold at 129. Okay, in 129 we sold and then we squared off at 33. So we booked a profit of 14,400. And then here also two lots 11,100 we sold for 105. We booked at 33. So we booked a profit of 10,800. So these two things we squared off. So almost four lots we squared off. But at the same time what we done is we bought two lots actually, two lots with the same premium. Which one is this? Was the one we bought 11,000 call without disturbing our position. Our hedge position is not giving unlimited loss. You can get unlimited profit, but our position adjustment is not giving unlimited loss. That is very important. So now the query was that like we sold two lots, now 61 become 130 rupees, whether we need to square off the position. If you square off this position, what will happen? You will get into unlimited loss because you have sold some position also, option also. Never you square off position which is giving unlimited loss. And that also the rule, if you just see here, last week before that week only this happened like this, doubling the option premium. That time it was the expiry day. So what happens that you have to see the option pain also. Focus on the option pain, that is also important. Today the option pain is 11,050, but if you see here what is for 11,000, it is at 130, means 11,130 or 11,150. When the price reaches this level, so you have to see the intrinsic value. So 61 the price is 130, 11,000 plus 130 means 11,130 intrinsic value. So when the option premium, so option pain comes to this level, then only you have to be bothered about that. It happens only on the expiry day. So only at that time only you have to bother. So till the time you don't worry about that. Okay, that's the one point. Second thing is when people are taking a positions, you should take one call buy option, another call buy option, and two lots of selling the call options. So what happens that don't enter the strategy first selling options, because only if you sell options, then you will get broker will be asking for more margin. So first thing is you have to buy the options which is there as per the plan. So you have to buy the one lot above and below the pain. First you enter that strategy. After that you sell this what you have to sell. So that way your margin requirement will be only 35,000 rupees. That's the another query that's sorted out now. Now when what option doubles, that time also you can exit. That's a very good time to exit actually. If you see here, now today what I'm telling is one thing here, we bought here, yes, this one which you bought on Monday, okay, Thursday, Friday, Monday which bought for 105 rupees. Now this adjustment can be done taken today. 105 bought and now it is gone 213. Now what we are doing is we are booking profits here. 7,800 profit you book here, and instead of that what we'll do is we'll buy 11,000 call. So 11,000 call we'll buy here. So this is the one adjustment. So it's not that we are keeping the position empty. If you are booking the profit here, you should buy some other position also. What happens when the price comes down? This will come down fast compared to this. Okay, that is one advantage. So you have just to understand the movement of the price also. We are not keeping the position empty, unhedged. Always it is hedged position only. Whenever you are doing adjustment, see the payoff chart whether you have unlimited loss or not. That is very, very important. You can have unlimited profit, but you cannot have unlimited loss. That is very important. Now the next point, always when you see profit as a percentage of investment. Don't see the profit is only 1,000 or 2,000. That is not important. If you see here, say assume you are getting a profit of 1,000 as investment 35,000, then the profit comes to 2.8%, roughly 3% you are getting. If you keep a fixed deposit in bank for 1 year, you will get double this return. But if you are getting this return in just 2 days, 3 days, who is going to give you this kind of return? So you have to see from that perspective. Don't see the amount. You have to always see the percentage of investment. That is very important. So never ever carry positions that are going to give you unlimited loss, either on the upside, downside there will be no unlimited loss. Always on the upside, unlimited loss can come. So that way ensure that you don't have any unlimited loss. That is very important, because it's a risky. Means tomorrow suddenly, like today HDFC Bank, the new CEO has appointed, the big news has been told that as though HDFC Bank will go to make some big historic reporting profits in the future because of the new CEO. Nothing like that. The way how media is hyping, you just don't get taken away by this all this news. Okay, so that's one. Tomorrow something will come again, but may not be so much of important, but still in the short term you will be taking a hit. Okay, tomorrow market will come down, but to the present day whatever there is a loss means you have to take a hit. So to avoid those things, you never ever carry unhedged or unhedged unlimited loss. That is very important. Okay, when you are squaring off a call option by booking profit, buy another call option at a higher level. Okay, to strike above that you buy. So that is the best way. You have to always follow the discipline. This all these rules you have to follow very, very strictly. Next, another thing you see as a block now. Now another way of making profit is, okay, now we are taking the position Thursday. Now we have booked profits for 2 positions. Now third position is pending now. Now what we'll do is we'll see all the 3 positions. What is the profit? Now the profit is coming to 5,843 if you take all the 3 positions. Now what we'll do is tomorrow, if you're getting opportunity, you should get here, exit here. Today also could have done it. I'm not doing it. I'm just telling you that way you can do it also. 5,843 will be the total profit. Now assume even 5,500 rupees is the profit. For this the margin record was 35,000. So the profit in this deal is 15%. 15-16% you are getting profit in this to call trade that taken on Thursday. Okay, so you can square off the positions and see the total entire profit for these 3 transactions. Next, another 3 transactions taken on Friday. This will come to 5,775, another 5,775, take the position. But when you are squaring up this 11,000 call, buy 11,200 call, something like that. Okay, I will tell you like what is the maximum price it can go, how we can find out. That also is very important. Now we'll square up these positions. I'm not doing now. Tomorrow we'll do it. We'll see how the impact will be. Now this is open position as of now. So this way you have to book the profits, keep booking the profits. Total profit books now with 26,000 we have booked the profits. The loss is there. How we can minimize this loss also? Okay, that also we'll see. Now let us take the case of 11,000 call, which sold 61 rupees. 130 rupees is the price now. So how much it can go maximum on the upside? Let us see that actually. Now I'm taking, okay, this is a payoff chart now with the latest updates, everything done. Now the unlimited loss is not there. Here if you see, the minimum loss was there around 3,000 rupees on the downside. Now wherever the price goes, even 10,000 also it goes, you will make some profit of 1,300 rupees. Okay, till the time we will not sit quiet, we will do some adjustments and make some more profit also. Now the maximum loss will be, what is the maximum loss? 6109 is the maximum loss. 6109, which is on 1 lakh of margin, you will get 6% loss if you don't do any adjustments. Assume you forgot the password and you don't know how to retrieve the password and your trading account is locked, some other problem comes, something like that, that's the time you will make this loss, and that too 6% of your profit capital. But before that, we will make some adjustment and recover that also. So if you see here, the maximum profit of 6,000 also comes between 11,082 or 11,200. Only if the expiry happens between these two 100 points range, then only you will see loss of 6,000 also. Otherwise, if the market goes above 11,200, you are going to see unlimited profit. Okay, that is very important actually. This includes the profit that you booked also. Now let us see 11,000 call currently trading at 130. What will be the maximum price it will go? Now the setup what we told you about yesterday, earlier videos also, is the setup we saw. Now we will take in the 15 minutes chart to just have an idea about the price. Say 11,000 call came down from almost 200 rupees level in the, now currently the seen a bottom of around 17 rupees today morning also, and okay, 11,150 call, this is 11,150 call. Let me see 11,000 call, sorry, 11,000 call. Now 11,000 call, if you see here, it made a bottom of around 53 rupees. Now it is trading at 130 rupees. If you see the volume profile, the volume is getting dried out around 200 rupees. The maximum it can go is 200. The chances looks very less actually. Is an extreme case where the big short covering rally comes and something happens, then the price can go to 11,200. If 11,000 goes to, if 11,000 call has to go to 200, means the price has to go to 11,200. So as per the payoff chart, if you see, when the price goes above 11,200, you will started making unlimited profit. Okay, so you shouldn't bother about that. Now this is the way you see it. Now once we sold 11,000 call, it started giving dropping in the prices, and you want to book the profit and minimize the loss. So you have to see this cluster. If you can see the cluster here, if you see the cluster of here prices around 90, 95 and 85. This is the price everybody will square off the positions here. Whoever sold here are squaring off the positions here. These people 11,000 call will try to book their profits and start squaring their booking, shorting the call options when the price is dropping below 85 rupees. So you have to wait for the opportunity. When the opportunity comes, if you want to do intraday trading in this, now what you will do is you will just short here or book profit in your sold 11,000 call options, and wait, because since you told already sold 11,000 calls, you should not bother about that. Since this one already sold 600 rupees, you can add one more call and average it out, and you can make more profit. So you should not bother about this price coming down actually. So this is the way you understand your volume profile, what is the maximum price it can go, and you can make intraday adjustments to your positions. Okay, so whenever you see profit, book profit and go to the next level. Since we say today market went up 200 points in Nifty, now good opportunity to short your calls. When the market comes down, good opportunity to short your puts. So this way add position, because market never goes in straight line upside or downside. Market always moves like this only. So this way you manage your positions. Hope the clarification I was able to give you the most of the queries. In case any doubts, put in the comments. I will try to make some more video if required, depending on the doubts. Okay, hope enjoy your Nifty income strategies profits. Thank you.